Hello, hello. I'm Uncle Johnny. Welcome back. Today, I'm cooking bulalo. 2 pounds beef shank, yellow onion, chopped carrot, chopped corn, diced potato, lemongrass, bok choy, beef bouillon, patis aka fish sauce. Today is a rainy day. On days like this, I enjoy eating beef bulalo soup. Let's get to cooking. First, take the beef shank and put it inside the pot with water and boil. Let it cook on low to medium heat for about 2 hours, or until tender. I finished preparing the vegetables. Now it's time to add them in. Add lemongrass, onions, peppercorn, and beef bouillon cube, just one. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Add the corn. Cook for about 5 more minutes. Wow, that smells great. The lemongrass really helps bring out the flavor. Now add in the potatoes and carrots. Just throw them in. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Cook for about 15 more minutes until the veggies are soft. Now add bok choy. Make sure it's last. Next, add the fish sauce. 1 tablespoon. Let's taste to see if we need to add more pepper. Perfect. We're done. Now to try it. If you want, you could choose to add more fish sauce. Or not, your preference. Delicious. I love bulalo. This is a popular dish in the community. Now you know how to make bulalo. Thank you for watching. Definitely Sarap!